Hello everybody, welcome back to our vlog. The sky.
Happy Friday. Today is Good Friday. So mag-ano kami, bisita iglesia. So we're just gonna do 7 churches. Pero before that, we'll send the parcel first, yung order sa TikTok. Kasi baka hindi na naman baka hindi na naman ma-pick up, so i-send muna namin para wala na akong isipin. And today is very very hot, so good luck. Sana hindi sumakit yung ulo namin. Oh, you forgot to bring your water, guys. Ko, did you bring your water bottle?
No.
I might just refill it.
This is a
So
hatchback.
maybe we'll just buy the outside.
Hi. It's definitely
Hi.
hatchback. Hi.
Si Coco. Hi, Coco.
Hi. Mama, look, there's 2 faces. 1, 2.
Oh yeah. No, this one is just like there's Dada.
Oh, that looks so cute.
Okay, lunch muna kami. We're having pamin, fishbowl noodles, and what call this in that?
Minced pork fishbowl noodles.
This one is reading a book. He doesn't want to eat. Yeah, we're just gonna give him some noodles. Kain tayo. Okay, so first church namin is Nativity Church. So dito ko pinagdasal ng bongga si Zion kay Mama Mary. Malapit lang kasi ito sa bahay nila nung tinitiran namin dati. So yan.
I have
Just press. Come on. Because they got cars coming up. Oh. Just behind here, Pills. Okay, just behind you. Oh, sorry.
Okay, katatapos lang ng mass here at Church of St. Francis. Hindi nakita. Malalaking bahay. First time naming mag-attend ng mass dito, and it's para siyang sa may nativity, pero I think the nativity is bigger, huh? Medyo maliit lang yung church nila dito, pero very siya cozy. Cozy ba yung very yung mga tao, friendly. So yun, tapos na dito. So this is the 4th church. So we're going to that 3 more. We need to go 3 more churches. Let's go. Gutom na yung kasama ko, kumakain na siya.
running through churches.
Ang ganda ng lugar dito. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay. Ay, this one pala is school. No, but the houses here all so big there.
This is like being. I remember saying this is like being in Baguio.
Yeah. Nare-remind daw si Zion sa nung nagpunta kaming Baguio kasi ganito yung mga houses.
Instead of the big houses again.
Oh, because it's so big, what if I'm alone then? The house is so big.
And then
Yung iba parang matagal nang
and then
hindi
your
naan.
dad.
Yung ganda dun, oh. Yung black and white. Li Huan Drive. The name of the road there, like, not in Asia. Why the beeping?
Is it sign?
That's the old car. It's still there. Where are we gonna play? There's no. Yeah, for illegally doing. Let's wait until. A body just disappeared.
To your left. Eh, right, sorry. Main church. Good. Main church. To your right. That's what this is. It's up. Main church.
Okay. Tapos na kami sa 6th church. And grabe yung ulan. Ay no, not ulan. Yung kidlat at kulog. Hello, dito kami sa Asian Safra. Mag-drive to muna kasi nahilo na ako sa gutom. Are you hungry too? Yes or no?
I'm gonna steal your food.
You're gonna steal my food?
Yes.
But you have your own food.
I steal. Get me out of here.
Daming turtle.
watching our vlog. Bye!